दोस्तों कहते हैं अच्छी किताबें और अच्छे लोग तुरंत समझ नहीं आते। अच्छी किताबें और अच्छे लोग तुरंत समझ नहीं आते, उन्हें पढ़ना पड़ता है। The grandson and daughter-in-law of Dada Saheb Phalke, Mr. Chandrasekhar Ji Paluskar Ji and his wife on this dais for the book launch. We would also request our chief guest of this evening, Mr. Prahlad Kakarji, to please join us on the dais. This is a special moment because Dr. Daljit Kaur has worked hard for releasing this book, especially Saraswati Dada Saheb Phalke Women Achievers Award, which was a very special occasion. And I must say, I got the honor to host that evening too. So, a little more about the book.
सरस्वती बाई दादा साहब फाल्के की जो वाइफ हैं उनको कभी सम्मान नहीं मिला। आज दादा साहब के बहुत अवार्ड्स होते हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे जो हाथ था वो उनकी वाइफ का था, सरस्वती बाई दादा साहब फाल्के। उनके नाम पे हम अवार्ड्स करते हैं, फिल्म अवार्ड्स एंड इवन वीमेन अचीवर अवार्ड। वीमेन अचीवर बिकॉज शी वॉज अ मल्टीटास्किंग वुमेन। वो घर भी संभालती थी। 150 years back she used to take care of her house. She was 20 years younger to Dadaji, and then she used to punch the reels. She was the first editor, first financer and first technician, first producer. तो उनको सम्मान देना तो बनता है। हम लोगों ने ये SDP सरस्वती बाई दादा साहब फाल्के विमेन अचीवर अवार्ड की एक कॉफ़ी टेबल बुक बनाई है, जिसे वर्ल्ड की अचीवर्स जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत संघर्ष करके आज अपने आप को इस्टेब्लिश किया है, तो ये बुक हम सरस्वती बाई दादा साहब फाल्के को ट्रिब्यूट करने के लिए बुक हमने बनाई है। अभी पुलसावकर सर मेरे पापा, मैंने इनको फादर, इन्होंने मुझे डॉटर माना है एंड ही इज़ इन द प्लेस ऑफ माई फादर, सो ही ऑलवेज हेल्प्स मी। एंड 2 वर्ड ये बोलना चाहेंगे।
It's a great responsibility when she calls me dad. I got so many daughters of late because Dada Saheb is respected everywhere, so they always say, "Sir, yes, please call me daughter." Okay, but I understand the feelings, and I'm very much thankful to Daljit Madam to make us the part of this grand function. And this is really the Corona Yoddha over there. My great salute to them. Because all of you are also Corona fighters. You have come out of that. Either you have faced it or you are not faced it. You are still the warriors. Every one of you. So I salute all of the people. And the specialty of this book is that this is the 150th birth anniversary of Dada Saheb Phalke. So he must be happy somewhere in heaven that his wife is getting the proper recognition by Iowa. Last 3 years she is doing award, and this year also she has done online to the 30 female achievers. Salute to you. 40, sorry, then I take back 45. So it's great thing, and because she was a multitasker, she not only used to cook. Cooking was the main thing that time, but there was the extended family, Phalke family. All the people, artists were वहाँ ही रहते थे, तो उनका खाना पकाना पूरा दिन, खाली 2 assistants were there, and night time the films we used to get from the London had no holes on the either side. Holes नहीं होते थे. That tedious job of making holes was done by Saraswati Dada Phalke. सरस्वती बाई काकी बोलता था, वो करती थी। बहुत tedious job था, उसके हाथ दुखते थे। बाद में she even learned from Dada Saheb how to develop the film. Putting in various type of chemicals, then putting in wrap, diaphragm को बराबर measure करके वो dry करने का, and that time reflectors were not there, so she used to stand for the outdoor shooting in the scorching heat for hours together. एक white sheet हाथ में लेती थी as a reflector. So hats off to that my grandmother, great lady. So I always on any stage appeal to the government that please have the recognition for the great achievement, putting the award in her name for the best woman director or producer in the name of Saraswati Bai Dada Saheb Phalke. And that Daljit Madam has started already, but she's the private one. I appeal to the government to start that. Thank you very much. Who are the press people there, please make note of it so it will go across. Great thing.
The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world.